Hello, everybody. This is Shuo Pang. I'm the founder of Enreal.ai Research. So today, I'm going to introduce how to use Hermes desktop with customized AI models. So first of all, I'm going to introduce a little bit about AI agents. So first one is OpenCloud. This is a really famous one. So you can use OpenCloud with your personal tasks. For example, the AI coding and project building like Android projects. And also you can connect your personal IM software such as Slack, WhatsApp, and other IM softwares to OpenCloud to receive the notification. The problem of this one is, for example, I'm a vision guy. I don't like the terminals. So I prefer the software with the GUIs. So this one doesn't have, but this one, the OpenCloud does provide a web page. So you can interact with multiple agents. They can create different sessions on the web page. But the web page doesn't really stable. So it's always stuck. It doesn't have any improvement recently. The second one is the Hermes agent. This one, just like OpenCloud, it provides the feature that you can connect it to different AI models, such as OpenAI's, Clouds, Gemini's, and also if you have a powerful workstation at home, you can connect it to your local workstation. In this way, you can save your token bills. So the problem is the same. Hermes agent doesn't have any GUI. The AI agent that have GUI is a codex. The codex, you can see here, this is a desktop screenshot. You can change the session here. You can type whatever you want. It will finish your coding task or other tasks, and you can create images or videos even within the desktop. This is the best way to visualize your tasks. You can interact with your multiple agents. And I use the codex create a lot of applications, which is very good. The last one is Cloud Code on desktop. This one does a similar job that you can also create multiple agents. You can let Cloud control your computer and let it control your browser tabs. You can let it browse the internet by itself and finish the work. But problem of both Cloud Desktop and Codex Desktop, that is, you cannot change the AI models. So lots of AI coders consume lots of tokens every day. So you have to use a cheaper solution rather than provided, let's say, OpenAI's ChatGPT 5.5 and the Claude Fable 5. Especially for the Fable 5, it's powerful, yes, but it's also very expensive. So I got a solution. The solution is called Everent AI. This one provides also stable connection to the different AI models and also provide your cheaper token price, both input and output. And also this one has unified URL, and you can apply the API key in the platform and give you the unified portal. You don't have to change all the time. So we can see this platform provide a Qwen, provide DeepSeek, V4 Flash, and V4 Pro, and Qwen 3.6 and 3.7, and also GLM 5.1. So if you want to use a cheaper solution, you have to configure your desktop. So I found the software called Hermes One. Hermes One is a desktop, which is a native desktop app for installing, configuring, and chatting with Hermes agent. So the bottom layer is Hermes agent, which is the agent I mentioned before. So Hermes One is just a desktop. So you can use this, interact with Hermes agent, and also you can configure the AI models behind. So this one provides the similar functions like Codex Desktop and Cloud Desktop. So you can see here, you can ask to finish the specific project. And you can configure profiles such as different character for the agent. Maybe one for engineering, one for designer, something like that. And the important thing is you can configure the models. You can use Claude, you can use Kimi, you can use OpenAI, and also the most important thing is you can use your customized or you can use your self-hosted AI models. The interesting thing is it also provides a visualizer 3D view here, just like in Unreal Office. So let us install this. So after we download and install the Hermes One, we can see the interface like this. The first thing is configure the models. So we can click models. We can see the provided models, Cloud here, the DeepSeek here, but we want the customized one. So we can click add model. Here we can input the display name and provider. We can scroll down to find the OpenAI compatible / local models. And you can put the model ID, which is the name of the model, and base URL. If you use OLlama and local, you have to put the localhost 11434, and also the API key. If you use OLlama, you just leave it empty. So after you click add model, it will pop up like this. So this I configured before. I use a customized AI model here and the Everent AI provided API key here. So after I set up everything, it's supposed to work, but actually not. So I sent a message to the backend model. It gave me the 401 error, which is invalid token. I don't know what happens underneath, but I found the solution. The solution is, first of all, open your installation folder here, just like that, and find the config.yaml. So you double click that. You can find the models section. Model section is stored all the models you stored at local. So we add here the provider Everent AI and base URL here. Then we scroll down to the line 108. We also add this section, the name, the base URL, the key environment. This is the API key from the Everent AI. We don't directly paste the API key here because this file has to be committed to the GitHub. So it's not safe. I will put the API key somewhere else. This is default model. So that's it. This is the whole configuration for the config.yaml. So we close this and we go to the .env. We scroll down to the end. So here is a customized API key here. We put the real API key over here. So this is the API key from the your customized AI provider. I'm using the Everent AI. So this key from Everent AI. So I put it here and click close and save. This .env file doesn't commit to the remote, doesn't commit to the GitHub, so it's safe to store at local. So after you set up everything, you can restart the Hermes One, and after you restart, you can try like this. We can say hi. See, this is a response from DeepSeek V4. So let you double check. I use Everent AI and the DeepSeek V4 Flash. This is the model I'm currently using. So in this way, you can use the desktop software with your AI coding and also use a cheaper solution with Everent AI. If you feel this video is helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.